The base of a rectangular tank measures 50 centimeters by 40 centimeters. A stone of volume 3000 cubic centimeters is placed in the tank. When 33 liters of water are poured into the tank is two-thirds full. Find the height of the tank. 1 liter is equals to 1000 cubic centimeters. Here we have the tank. The base of the tank measures 50 by 40, and we don't know the height of the tank, so we say that height is equals to h centimeters. We have to find h. A stone 3000 cubic centimeters is placed in the tank, and then the tank is filled with 33 liters of water. The height of the water comes up to two-thirds that of the total height of the tank. So you see here the height is 2 over 3 times h, two-thirds the height of the tank. Now let us look at the solution. Let the height of the tank be h centimeters. Volume of water poured into the tank is actually 33 liters. We want to convert 33 liters to cubic centimeters. So we take 33 times 1000, which is equals to 33,000 cubic centimeters. Then we find the volume of water plus the volume of the stone, which is equals to 3000 plus 33,000, which is equals to 36,000 cubic centimeters. Then we now know that 50 times 40 times 2 over 3h is equals to 36,000 cubic centimeters. We want to find h. In other words, we want to bring 50 and 40 from the left-hand side of this equation to the right-hand side of the equation. And we want to keep the h on the left-hand side of the equation. When you bring multiplication from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, you have to change from multiplication to division. So 2 over 3h is equals to 36,000 divided by 50 divided by 40. To explain this, the reason for this is because in the left-hand side, I divide by 50. I need to divide by 50 on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, I divide by 40. I have to divide by 40 on the right-hand side. The left-hand side is left with only two-thirds h because 50 divided by 50 is equals to 1. And 40 divided by 40 is equals to 1. So therefore, 1 times 1 times 2 over 3h is just 2 over 3h on the left-hand side. But on the right-hand side, I have to take 36,000 divide by 50 divide by 40. This is why when we say the shortcut method of explaining things would be if I bring the multiplication from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, I change the times to divide. So that is just a shortcut way of explaining. Whereas the reasoning behind it, you also need to know. Right? So this is equals to 18. Now next, I want to bring the 3. You see 2 divided by 3, right? I want to bring this 3 from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. Again, so 2h is equals to 18 times 3. Divide by 3, when I bring it over to the right-hand side, I times 3, which is equals to 54. And then 2h is equals to 54. So h is equals to 54 divided by 2, which is equals to 27 centimeters. The height of the tank is 27 centimeters. I did some working here if you're interested. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you have to do this step by step. So I wrote 36,000 over 50, and then I copy back divide by 40. Then I did some cancellation of the zeros, and then again I further reduce by dividing the denominator by 5, and I divided the numerator by 5. Then I simplify this to become 720 over 40, and then I further reduce, and 72 divided by 4 is equals to 18, which was how I got 18 over here. So this is just some working for those who are interested. This question is taken from page 115, question number 43 of the textbook 6B, the US edition.